Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Death Stranding game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the difficulty level within your game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Death Stranding game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, go into the options page. From here, you will need to enter the gameplay settings. And now you will see the game difficulty at the very beginning. You have a total of 5 different difficulty levels. By default, your difficulty level will be at normal. If you wish to have an easy game, you can try moving to the left, and you can choose between very easy or easy. If you wish to be challenged a little, then you can switch to hard, or the very hard option. Once you have made your desired change, make sure to click on the confirm button, and your change will be saved right away. After this, you can continue to play with your chosen difficulty settings within your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your difficulty settings on the Death Stranding game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.